Hello everyone, welcome to Logdos. Today I'm going to show you a very tasty Paneer Masala recipe. This is very tasty and it's good for rotis, parathas and Indian breads. Hope you will like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the notifications. First I'm taking a hair pan with 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to toss the diced capsicum and diced onions I have taken here. I have cut into small cubes, and we need to fry this for just 2 to 3 minutes till the onions and capsicums change the color, and if it doesn't like that, it will be very tasty in the gravy. Now it's almost done. I'm gonna take this separate, keep it away. And here I have taken paneer cubes. I have cut into small cubes, and I am adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt, turmeric and half tablespoon of red chilli powder, and I'm gonna mix this all. Don't mix it too hardly, then it will become into pieces. The paneer, just toss it, and the same pan I'm taking 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm gonna fry this paneer for 2 minutes. That's enough, not more. That's all the spices will get mixed into the paneer, and it will be very good too. So now it's almost done. Now in the same pan I have taken again 2 tablespoons of oil in this, adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 3 green chilies, and a little bit of kasuri methi dry, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. We need to fry this just for a few seconds, and I'm adding 2 onions, phase 2 medium size. I have taken into paste, and we need to fry this for another 2 minutes. Now I'm adding a half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste in this now. The onion paste is also nicely done, and we need to try the ginger garlic paste in the raw smell goes. And I'm adding all the dry spices, half a tablespoon of Garam Masala and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. When you add the spices in the steady, it will give you a nice flavor when the dry spices fry well. And here I'm adding 2 egg-sized paste tomatoes puree. I'm adding in this, and we need to cook both together for another 5 to 10 minutes till all the raw smell goes. And you can see here the oil is also separating from the tomato paste, and here it is the cashew nut paste. This is 10 cashews which I have soaked in water for half an hour, and I have made it a paste. You need to try this for another 10 minutes. Close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. It's almost done. Gravy for another 5 minutes. It's over. I'm in the stage. I'm adding red chili powder again, and check all the spices and add according to your taste all the spices whichever needed. If it's too dry, you can add little water also for the gravy. Now this is almost done, and now it's time to add the onion, capsicum and the paneer which we have fried already, and let this cook for another 5 minutes till the gravy absorbs all the vegetables and everything. Now it is almost done. We are garnishing with the coriander leaves. The paneer gravy is ready to serve.